In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin chat messages in Zoom channel. If you've ever wanted a key message to stay visible for everyone in your Zoom team chat, pinning is the way to go. Just a quick note before we start. This works in Zoom's team chat channels, not in meeting chats. So if you're in a meeting window and don't see the option, switch over to team chat in the desktop app. First, open the Zoom desktop client on your computer and make sure you're signed in. The pin feature is designed for the desktop app, and the layout may look a little different depending on your version, but the controls are in the same general place. Next, go to the Chat tab, sometimes labeled Team Chat. This is where all your channels and direct messages live. From here, select the specific channel where you want to pin a message. Think of a channel as the home for a team, a project, or a topic. Choose the one where the message needs to stay front and center. Now, find the message you want to pin. Hover your mouse over that message to reveal more actions. You should see an icon with 3 dots appear to the right of the message. Click those 3 dots to open the More Options menu. In that menu, select Pin for Everyone. The moment you do, a small pin icon will appear next to the message, and it will be featured at the top of the channel for all members. This is great for announcements, links everyone needs, or quick guidelines you don't want getting buried. If you want to see previous pinned items, click the info icon near the channel name to open the channel details, then choose Pin History. This lets you review what's been pinned before, and you can click any item in that history to jump directly to the original message, which is handy for catching up or restoring context. To remove or hide a pin, hover over the pinned message at the top, click the 3 dots again, and choose Unpin for Everyone if you want to take it down for the whole channel. If you only want to clear it from your own view without changing it for others, choose Hide. One important limitation to keep in mind: only one message can be pinned at a time in a channel. If someone pins a new message, it replaces the current pinned item. That's why Pin History is useful. It keeps a record so you can revisit what mattered earlier. And that's it. With these steps, you can keep important information visible, organized, and easy for your team to find.